again. Cassava when they take produce your grandchild. Cassava when you disvaga your old daughter. You still they eat and you say you forgive. You can forgive, then move on. My
On his
people,
side, Ezekiel is proud that his
things they
family
happen for
is
this
living
world. Oh.
peacefully after all the problem they had to go through.
Things they happen.
We are living in harmony. We don't have any.
Why I not live in harmony? Why you not live in peace? Why? Why you not live in peace? My people, I just see this news about, I don't even know, it be like all those countryside. You know, this man, that is this man, he get wife and he get daughter. No, na pardon the noise. Today na Sunday, my children no school today. You know, they're there together, they live as a family. Then this particular girl and her father, they day house. She said they go school. When she come back from school, go inside house. Then her father go meet her for inside house, say she wants to sleep with her because her mom na hardworking woman and her mom they go work because na farm, they be farmers. You know, she say when now her dad come meet her for inside room because say she want to do vaga her. Now she come say, dad, no, you not fit to do vaga me because if you not to do vaga you, you know go school again, no pay your school fees. Now she come accept make her dad do vaga her. After her dad don do vaga her finish, after some few months, she come find out say she dey pregnant. Then her mom come dey curious to know who do vaga you when you say dey pregnant. Then the girl no gree talk. Who pregnant you when you take get dey pregnant? The girl she say she not talk. Then when she come give birth for hospital, now she come open up to her mom and say, my mom na good mom. My mom always dey here. Now she will rush me come hospital to come go born. Let me open up to my mom to tell her, say, mommy, see what I do. Now your husband won't be my daddy. Now he pregnant me. Now she can't tell her mom. Say her mom can't dey vex. She can't dey cry. Behold, now her mom still they take care of her today, carry her go house. Then when her dad come back, come back to house, then her mom come ask her dad, say, who pregnant our daughter? Our daughter say, now you pregnant her. Now he say yes, say now he pregnant her because they can't they beg her mom. Then her mom don't forgive her. They don't they live together as one family. Papa and pikin and mama. Then papa pregnant pikin. The pikin I call be papa pikin and cause they be your grandchild. My people, your own daughter can't give you grandchild. The man want talk, he said that they live peace. Why you not say that they live peace? He said that they okay, that they live well. That is not you, they live well. You not really say you they live well. You know they live well at all. You know they live well. Now abomination now you call so. Give it. I don't understand though. Because if na my side, always they talk as some kind things there. You not try am more. Papa come pregnant mama and that kind bola, that kind cassava. Mama say they chop am. Cassava when you tie your pikin body. If you want to forgive, you can forgive because our God say maybe they forgive. If you be Christian, you need to get heart of forgiveness. But it not mean say forgive. That cassava, when you enter your pikin, when you pregnant your grandchild, you go see they enter your no. That one, God forbid. Now abomination. That kind cassava not supposed to near you at all. Not supposed to near you. Supposed to they irritate you. Supposed to they irritate you. My people, wait till now feel say all those people when they do vaga their children. You should say no be cause, no be problem to them. You should say that their eye. How you go just open your eye, your own child? Your body of just feel ready. Go they do like this, go they do like this, go they do like, go they find your daughter. Your daughter can't give you, as you can't use that to do vaga, can't give you grandchild. Abba, to shakwa. You just get life. Get away, get ambition to go school. If they oh God, our Africa, God come for our rescue. God come for our rescue. I know say still they happen for Europe. But when they happen for Europe, it not be because of poverty. Because if you perceive papa, he misbehave and you speak out, they will give you house, they will take care of you. In fact, they will protect you. That papa is gone. He will go face the law. This girl now, where they go? If he cry, come out now, which government won't give her ear? Pikin when even they hungry to go school. Because of you want to train your pikin for school, you come catch her to do vagara. I know swear for you. This my mouth. I know use and swear for you, Baba. Baba. This thing when you do, you don't almost do your life finish. This young girl when you still get long way to go. Which man want open eye now? Go say, Papa, pikin when Papa do vaga, me go marry Apple for us. No, na let me know. Maybe I say this my camera ben. No, na let me know. Maybe na me the thing they do in body because person now just open eye go say this pikin. Yes, we know say not be the girl fault, but the girl no say na Papa. Why can't the girl say no? Otherwise, she say no before. But you use waiting she love. May God not let anybody, any of our enemy to use waiting we like against us to get us. Because you know say her daughter likes school. Now the school you still go now. You not go. It's better you run. It's better you say no. School now you not go. You be mother. Now you don't follow your mother. They go from school when they follow your mate. They go now. Everything don't end. Now how you want to take care of your own child when you give to your father? You don't give your father. Be like saying now son she give because they don't get son. In fact, my heart bleeds. And her mom come dey blame herself, say when her daughter get belle, say she blame herself, say she's not there to fight for her daughter or to protect her daughter. She blame herself. Mommy, well, I no fit say you blame yourself, because your daughter dey go school, then you dey go farm. It not be your fault. Now just the society where you find yourself and the kind man when you marry. Mom, not be your fault. I know say you don't see this my video, but I beg, if you dey out there, it's time for us to start lecturing our children. Say your father, your brother, you don't get anything. You're not supposed to get anything to do with them. Whether now your father come, say he want to vaga you, not mind now your dad. Speak out. Whether now your brother is a taboo, now disgrace, now insult for your brother to. It's time for us, we mother. If you get boy and girl, you get only girl with your husband, please voice out. Lecture your daughter. You see this man, now my husband, and now your father. Don't ever near him. Anytime when he bring, say, I love you, your father can love you, not Tristan. Your father can love you, but go in bed, now my husband, no be your husband. When time reach, when you finish school, you go get your own husband. You see this guy, now your brother, the same father, the same mother, or the same father, or the same mother. Don't ever go bed with him. Please, na taboo, na bad thing. The society will look you like you do the worst. You have done, in fact, the highest things. It's time for us to lecture our children. Let them know this is your father. You don't supposed to have any sex thing with her. Your brother, you get where your daughter will grow rich. Try to lecture them. If you and your husband dey, Europe children, they're always smart. Europe children, they always know, say, this one and this one. I know say Africa children, they still be like that. So yes, then you go sit there, they say, this one and my husband. My husband. When time reach, you will get your own. Like sometimes now my child always ask me, Mommy, I want to be like you. I say, my daughter, when you grow up, you will go school. After finish your school, you will get a job. And you will get your good husband. Your husband be that. Because if your child don't see flower, or she don't be 13 years, 12 years, try to lecture your daughter. It's your dad, it's your brother, I'm your mom. Yes, I know as we they grow up together now, as my child even day. If you go follow my Esther, get with my daughter, right? Say, Mommy, this is you, this is daddy, this is my brother, this is me. You understand? They know, but when they grow, because what you now really want me, I can't talk. But maybe we lecture our child, maybe we lecture our children. This is your brother. Anything, maybe something similar. Maybe that they watch cartoon, you see cartoon when people take the kiss, or you see something when late, or wait till your daughter utter come out for mouth. Just use an advice and wait till your son utter come out. Not be that they deny. Anything our children bring to come out for our time, maybe they lecture them. And maybe we see they let them know, say, this one and your brother, and your sister, and your father, as I see they talk. Mama, I know say this video, you know fit see am. If you take that mama shoe, that kind cassava, no chop am again. Cassava when they take produce your grandchild. Cassava when you disvaga your old daughter. You see they eat and you say you forgive. You can forgive, then move on. That kind cassava, not let her near your because that one not be say you too calm or you too gentle. That one I don't understand. I don't know that kind of calm be that. I beg. Let's be wise, okay? That kind cassava, no chop am. Like the one when happen for Nigeria, that the one pre-come out for a year. Also, thank God say Belle never ate her. The mama quick whistle for a mama ear. Sometimes our body not be the same. Only one can make you be pregnant. Just only one. But this girl, when they come from Nigeria, that one don't say I reach back. But this girl, now maybe now father who do Viagra and this vegetarian, nobody know. First knack, you just pregnant her. You see, our body not be the same. Some people they fighter. They fighters. I be fighter. Hey, say I'm English. Some people they now want touch like this. They will just pick them. They run and they go. Before you see, they say Belle don't enter. Some people they like that. You see, for that, if you dey Western world, we will protect ourselves. If we not see, they would know what to do when you dey Africa. Okay. Now this one I get to talk. I beg, may we be vigilant. May we dey there for our children. Not be our children for sometimes. So kind. Not be our children fault. Now we lack the lack of lecture. Yes, but speaking. If you be child. You know, say this one are your dad. How could you just open your lap? Now your dad. Now the cassava when your mama the chop, not supposed to open leg. Now abomination. No try. Now abomination. Who best when you don't call dad, your brother, your dad, your brother, your cousin. Don't ever do anything with them. If you don't know, you they do it before. Stop her. Now abomination in a bad thing. Stop her. Me, Nigeria daughter, they tell you now, say, now forbidden thing. Maybe you don't know before. If you come across this my video, now you don't know. Don't ever sleep with your dad. Don't ever sleep with your brother. If your mom never lecture you, your mom not need to lecture you. How they look, your brother just there on top of you, your sister, your father, it's taboo. It's taboo. Not try am. Not try am. And if that kind thing happen, you mother, no dey chop that kind cassava now, you dey chop course. My people, me I leave you now. Until I get to talk, I'll see you in my next video. If you never join this beautiful family, join this beautiful family. I will bring more updates come for now. Okay. Oh, let me see you. Hey. No beside the happy. The thing break my heart, eh? It break my heart. Then I go make food.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast.